Optus has over 25 years' experience in the satellite business. During that time, we've had 9 successful launches and currently have 5 satellites on orbit, those being B3, C1, D1, D2 and D3, and we are currently manufacturing our 10th satellite, Optus 10, which is planned to be launched later this year. With Optus being a Tier 1 telco, the Optus satellite business is able to leverage off that telecommunications infrastructure and provide a seamless connection for our customers, which includes fibre delivery to our earth stations, an uplink to the satellite, and then a distribution across Australia and New Zealand. We have over 160 staff focused on our satellite business, and our primary operations are across 3 key sites: Belrose in Sydney, Lockridge in Perth, and Hume in the ACT. One of the things we're extremely proud of is the fact that the team in SatOps out of Belrose has enabled over 80 other operators to launch and have their satellites pass their initial in-orbit testing.
Optus has both international and domestic gateways. We provide a range of broadcast services that range from pay TV, free-to-air TV and business TV services. We also run a range of VSAT services, that's very small aperture terminals. We focus both on corporate services, which incorporates our 3G backhaul and data and voice services, and in the consumer space we currently run the NBN first release satellite service. Also in the corporate VSAT space, we've integrated our product into the Optus Business Evolve suite of products. This enables us to deliver services to multi-sites across Australia. Optus is one of the few satellite operators that actually carries a L-band payload on our satellites. This enables us to provide our own mobile satellite services. More recently, we've introduced handheld phones from Thuraya and Inmarsat, and also using the Inmarsat BGAN services, we can now provide a range of machine-to-machine and SCADA type applications.
Optus Satsone has been designed to extend the Optus 3G coverage into areas outside the main footprint of the 3G network. It comprises the supply of a trailer, a base station, as well as the transmission via the satellite backhaul. This allows workers or communities in remote locations to make and receive calls and have access to data for business or personal use. The main benefits of Optus Satsone are the ability to provide business continuity for workers being able to access the 3G network on the project site, and the safety aspect of OH&S is always important on a project site, and for staff retention. Family and friends are immediately contactable by the workers through the Satsone service. Optus Voyager is a range of transportable equipment to provide internet connectivity in remote locations for either semi-permanent or temporary teams to be able to set up a base camp and operate as they would in another location. It comprises a specially designed trailer or vehicle or ground-mounted antennas, as well as flyaway kits, which are specially designed to be transported on airplanes and assembled without a technician on site.
Optus Sat Monitor, which is also known as BGAN M2M, is a two-way IP data service for monitoring remote assets in areas where either there's no terrestrial network available or as a backup to existing terrestrial networks. It runs on the Inmarsat I4 satellite network, which gives global coverage apart from extreme polar regions, and the 1 kilobyte billing increments are perfect for machine-to-machine communications where small data packets are required. The Sat Monitor service is designed for monitoring of fixed assets such as remote mine equipment, dam levels, weather stations or oil and gas pipelines. Another product that Optus offers running on the Inmarsat network is Sat Traveller, which is also known as BGAN. It gives workers in remote areas voice and data communications to connect back to head office.
Aurora Digital is Optus' latest satellite broadcast distribution platform that can deliver satellite broadcast services to virtually anywhere in Australia. Aurora Digital uses the latest satellite modulation scheme, DVB-S2, and encryption techniques that can provide efficient and secure means of delivering broadcast services over satellite. Customers can also connect to the platform using IP, which provides a seamless way for them to connect from their studios or playout centres. Aurora Digital provides a viewer access satellite television or VSAT services. VSAT provides a full lineup of SD, HD, digital television services provided by the national broadcasters ABC and SBS and the regional commercial broadcasters Southern Cross, Impaja, Prime and Win Television. VSAT viewers can also receive the Rural Health Education Foundation and Westlink services. With over 130,000 viewers now watching VSAT, Aurora Digital is a key distribution platform for digital television and radio services in Australia.